Hi, my name is Eduardo, and I will talk you about my most valued possession. For me, my most valued possession are my memories, and let me tell you why. Memories are very essential in our lives because they allow us to grow and learn to be a better person. Our recollection of memories can teach us very important life lessons, demonstrating skills, abilities, and can make us happy and entertained. There are so much more things that our memories can do and how beneficial is in our lives. First of all, our memories are very essential because they teach us very important life lessons that we can use and apply in our future. By having memories, we will know what is right and what is wrong. We can also remember when and where we did our mistakes so they don't happen again. We need to learn from about. Maybe when I miss my grandma, I can remember a memory when we were very happy, taking a coffee. Maybe when I am sad, I can remember a very good party with my friends. Maybe when I get a bad grade in an exam, I can remember when I take good grades. That's the importance of memories. They can change your mood in seconds. As a conclusion, I want you to know that your most valued possession doesn't need to be necessarily an object or something material. And I would like to you to deeply think how value are your memories for you and how in seconds you can change your mood just by remember something. Just think about it. Your memories are the only thing you're gonna take with you all life. Not material things, not money, not wives or loves or friends. Your memories are all about your life. Think about it. Thank you.